Hey, it's Rick Khan from rickkhan.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom audience of the people who spend the most time on your website. This strategy goes deeper than the broad targeting of all of your website, because this can actually outperform a broad targeting of website visitors, because people who take the time to go through your website and spend the most time are going to be your highest value audience for your business. And perhaps best of all, this is great if you have new offers or high ticket offers and you want to advertise to those who are into your stuff the most. But with all this said, there are a few reasons you might not want to retarget these people, because with post iOS you are going to reduce the number of people you'll be able to retarget. And you could essentially lose around 40 to 60% of these people. And then if your website doesn't receive much traffic, then I would suggest check out how to run Facebook campaigns to target your entire website, which should pop up, or I'll leave a link below. But with all this said, let's jump onto my screen and I'll show you how to get this done.
So before we can actually retarget the top people on your website, what we've got to do first is create a custom audience. So this is how we do it. So first of all, you go to all tools and you go to audiences, and you should be on a page like this. And all you need to do is select create audience, go to custom audience, and here are the multiple sources that you can use to create your custom audience. But for now, I'm going to focus on the website. So you click website, click next, and as I mentioned before, the size of your custom audience will decrease because of the iOS 14. And what you want to do is go down to events. Here you select the drop box, and here you've got the multiple options from all website visitors. That's your entire website, where I'll put a link in the description where I've got a full tutorial showing you how to do that one. People who visited specific web pages, so that could be a certain page that people are pre-framed, and maybe you want to retarget them with an ad to that specific page to make that purchase, or even gone to a lead page or a sales page. But for now, we're going to focus on visitors by time spent. So you click this one, and here we have the percentile. Now when you click down, all this means is that the more specific you get with 5%, so this will be the top 5% of people who visit your website, the top 10% and the top 25%. Now here's the thing with this, I would suggest you go with the top 25% first, because due to the iOS situation where you probably have a reduced amount of audience size, also if you don't have much traffic coming to your website, you're going to limit the amount of people going to it. So I'd start with 25%, test that first. If you get good results, you can start trying 10%, then 5% later and then down the line, because all you do is the same method over and over again. So for now, click 25%. And with the retention, you want to choose around 30 days. You don't want to go too far away from this, because people will probably forget who you are or your website. So if you chose something like 180 days, they're probably more than likely not going to remember your website or what you represent or anything. So I mean, people who just visited you in the last week or within 30 days are probably more than likely going to remember who you are. So I definitely say stick with 30. And again, here you can select more specific web pages, but for now I'm just going to stick with the whole of your website within 25%. So what you do is create your name. For this example, I'll just call it. Then you just create your audience. And from here, you've got your choice to make your lookalike audience from this if you want. For this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and get past that. So as you can see, you have now created your custom audience. Now it's time to retarget these people, and that's what I'm going to show you next. All you do is click the three lines, go to Ads Manager. All you want to do now is click Create. Now it all depends what objective you choose here. Are you just trying to get them to become leads? Are you trying to engage with them with more content? Are you trying to get a purchase from them? Usually I'd pick between leads and sales. So I'll just click sales for this. Now I have got more videos showing you how to create all this. So for this example, I'm just going to jump ahead and go straight to where you place this audience to retarget them. So I'm just going to press continue. The place where you'd put them in is in the ad set. So here you have your campaign level, ad set level, and then your ad level. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump straight to the ad set. I'm going to jump straight down. I'm going to bypass most of this. So when you get to audiences, here is where you'd put the audience in. So basically you click this and you go to your custom audience, and you should see it there, example 25%. And basically from here is now where you are retargeting everyone on your website. Now, what I would recommend as well is to exclude any purchasers or exclude anything you don't want people to see. So you can add all them in, even people who have been to your Facebook page. If you don't want them to see it, you can exclude them as well. Add your locations. And here's something else I recommend, is make sure to leave your detailed targeting off. Leave all this alone. Don't put any interests in. Don't change anything. Just allow Facebook to just retarget your website top 25% and leave it at that only. And for the best CPMs with it, you can leave it at automatic placements as well. And that's pretty much all you do. So just to recap, you go to your ad set level. When you get to audience, all you do is put them into the custom audience, and you'll be retargeting all the 25% top people on your website, which are more likely to make a purchase or become a lead than just everybody on the website. And again, I would say recommend you try the 10%. Recommend trying the 5% if you get good results with this. And from here, all you would do is press next, get into the ad level, create your ad, and press publish, and you're pretty much done. Now, if you like this kind of content, it really helps to let me know if you just hit the like button. And if you want to stay updated with the latest Facebook marketing and advertising, highly suggest that you consider subscribing below. And until then, I will see you in the next video.